this breaking update right now. The Maharashtra CID has filed an application before the magistrate court seeking an NBW against Parambir Singh. Yesha is breaking more details of that story and joining us on the broadcast right now. Now, Yesha, what really does this mean? At a point like this where no one knows about his whereabouts, he's been missing for 200 plus days. Do we believe that this is a step in the right direction where the Maharashtra CID wants the court to grant an NBW for Parambir Singh?
Now, this is not the first NBW that's being asked for against Parambir Singh, because there have been two NBWs already, that is two non-bailable warrants issued against Parambir Singh. One is in the Goregaon case. Apart from that, there is one NBW in the Thane case. Now, this is, if at all issued, would be the third non-bailable warrant against Parambir Singh that can happen, because we see that the state CID has taken over the case of the Marine Lines police station, which relates to extortion. And because there are two people already arrested in this case by the state CID, both of whom have been sent to 7 days of custody of CID, they would want Parambir Singh to understand further links and the entire extortion angle, which is why they are now asking for an NBW to be issued against Parambir Singh. Now, this clearly means that trouble is mounting for Parambir Singh, with two NBWs already in place, one bailable warrant already in place, and this could possibly be the third one. This really questions the whole probe. This in fact questions the role of Parambir Singh in various of these cases involved, because there are 5 such FIRs against Parambir Singh all across Maharashtra. Now, which also means that the Maharashtra government is now going on the right direction, because we see that they had also from the source, we got to know from our sources that the Maharashtra government had tried to put an absconder, declare Parambir as an absconder, because they were also trying to find out location of Parambir Singh. If not found, they declare him as an absconder. So this is one crucial step in the entire investigation that is taking place. Apart from that, now with two NBWs already
we are
issued
also
against him,
learning that an order is possibly expected on this plea as early as tomorrow, and I think we'll track that story very closely. And as Yesha says, this possibly, if granted, could be the third NBW against Parambir Singh. But what's very, very important is to catch this man. We're tracking that story and all the updates. Yesha, thank you.